name is Saifan Najwa and this is my partner.
My name is Nur Aisyah binti Mak Yusof and today we will talking about
How to sound confident even when you are nervous. Good day everyone. Have you ever experienced feeling extremely nervous before speaking in front of others? Even though you are well prepared, your heart beats faster, your hands shakes, and your voice does not sound confident.
This situation is very common, especially among the student. Nervousness can affect the way we speak and making it sound unsure and unconfident, even we know what we want to talk about.
Therefore, today we will be demonstrating on how to sound confident even if you are nervous. This demonstration will focus on simple techniques that anyone can practice.
Before we demonstrate the technique, it is important to understand how nervousness can affect our voice. When we are nervous, our breathing can be shallow, our speech can be faster, and our voice may sound shaky and unclear. Good morning everyone. I'm here to present my topic today. As you can hear, nervousness causes the voice to sound very rushed and uncertain.
Now we will demonstrate 3 techniques that can help to control this problem. The first technique is breathing control. Nervousness often causes us to take short and fast breaths, which affects our voice quality. First, we breathe in through our nose for 4 seconds, hold the breath for 4 seconds, and then breathe out slowly for 4 seconds.
By controlling our breathing, our body becomes calmer and our voice sounds more stable and confident.
This technique is very useful before presentations or public speaking.
The second technique is slowing down our speech, because when we are nervous, we tend to speak too quickly. Today we will be talking about confident speaking. Today I will be talking about confident speaking.
Speaking slowly allows the audience to understand us better and make us appear more confident and composed. The third technique is voice projection with proper posture. Confidence is not about speaking loudly, but speaking clearly. Like if you are in poor posture and soft voice, you will sound like this. Confidence is important in communication. But if you are in strict posture and clear voice, you will sound like confidence is important in communication.
Standing or sitting straight can help to improve breathing and voice projection, making the speaker sound more confident. In conclusion, sounding confident does not mean that we are not nervous. It means we are able to control our voice despite feeling nervous.
The 3 techniques we demonstrated are breathing control, slowing down speech, and proper voice projection with good posture.
By practicing this technique, everyone can improve their speaking confidence.
Remember, you do not need to feel confident to sound confident. Thank you for listening. Good day everyone. Have you ever experienced feeling extremely nervous?
This situation is common.
Even if you are nervous, this demonstration will focus on how
I'm here to present my topic today. By practicing this technique, sekali lagi.
Isha duduk situ ke Isha?